here in my hands is something that resolves a real issue for me. I'm assuming you're watching this because you're wondering what it is like as well. So let me tell you, this is a really nice size. I've had all different kinds of size power strips and I found this to be personally one of my favorites. Let me tell you about it real quick. We'll take it out, take a look at it, talk about it. So this is a 15 amp power strip with a 2100 Joules surge protection, which is kind of in your very normal range, not super heavy duty and not junk either. This is like, I think we're gonna open it up, you're gonna see it's like nice metal aluminum construction. Yeah, that is exactly what I expected. So it comes with a little bit of very, very wimpy looking mounting hardware, but you got it if you need it. This is what it looks like I said. This is a nice aluminum housing. I really like, see how these plugs are vertical here? This makes it so most of the time you could take those wider plugs, you know, those wider connectors and put them on here and not lose them. Because when they're horizontal in the same direction, you go plug something in and you lose 2 or 3. So this way, I find you can utilize them much more effectively. I love the way that it's metal. It's got the connectors so you can put it on the wall like this. It's going to be nice, heavy duty. It's got the simple straight reset button right there if for some reason it should kick off. This is a nice heavy 6-foot cable. Comes with a Velcro strap, which makes it easy to organize it. Yeah, this is exactly what you need. I'm assuming you were watching this, wondering if this was what you need, and I'm telling you, this is what you need if you want to be able to effectively use all of these plugs if you have those larger adapters. If you have those larger adapters, this is definitely a more effective way to utilize your space. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.